This is the Irontrader. This is the last call of the week, so we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, the pitch closed here at 2:30. That's about 20 minutes ago. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only. Not recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old crude oil, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, you can see here how we put in a low here of 74.19. Okay, yesterday we had an inside day. Okay, so the low got 75.21, so you had a little higher low, but you left a really topping tail candle. Now, today we got another nice rally. You had a higher low, and we have a higher high here. So here's what we have to look at here on the downside. So what you want to do is you want to look at today's low, 75.31. Then we will now look at yesterday's low, 75.21, and then this retest level here at 74.91. Now, if that is lost here, then we want to come to this 200-day here on your monthly, 73.26. That is going to be your target, okay? Now, again, if that is lost there, well, then what we do is we come over to this 69.96, your 200 SMA here, and if that's lost, we come over to this 68.79, your 50-day on your monthly chart, and then we could come all the way down to this candle right here, which is basically 63.64. So you click on the price channel, 63.64. Now, the key is going to be this upside, all right? So we got a nice big green candle here, and actually it was a really good scalp here today in the UCO here. So that was a good scalp here today. So what we're going to do on the upside is we want to look at today's high. Okay, so you're looking at 77.73, and then we want to look here at this 200-day at 78.19, and then we want to look here at this 50-day here, 78.27, and then you have your 78.83, your 8 SMA. Now, when the futures open up here Sunday night at 6 p.m., you'll see that this 8-day is going to track down farther. Okay, so it could be right in here to this 200-day. So this is going to be big time resistant. So if you say you want to take a big time long here, you really want to make sure that it closes above your 200-day, your 8 SMA here, and this 50-day. Now, if you can, then you want to do is look to the bottom of this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 80.10, and then to the top of this candle, 81.05, and then you have 81.79 right above that. Okay, and then again, if you can get above that, we look to the top of this candle, 82.24, and then your 21-day, 83.11, okay? And then you just work yourself right on up here. You got 83.60 here. Then we can just follow these candles here until you get your retest here of 86.05. Now, there's a lot of resistance here, but I always like to point out here where it could possibly go here if it does get some kind of a catalyst. Now, remember, OPEC has got that meeting here, November 26th. It's not, today's the 10th, so you got some time, but they're going to be setting up, gearing up here. They're probably going to leave those cuts intact, and they might even do more cuts here because they want the price up. They're blaming all this here on the traders, and then they're the ones who are taking the price down and all this kind of stuff. But right here, like I pointed out, all you have to do is listen, okay? This was that war premium. This is where crude should be this time of the year anyway. Okay, this is nothing unusual for this time of the year. Okay, so look at what we have here. See, you had that war premium, and now it's coming right on off here. Okay, so there's really nothing to blame here. It's just seasonality. Bottom line is what it is. It's supply demand, that kind of a situation. So again, on the upside here, watch this key 200 SMA here. Watch this key 8 SMA, 50 SMA here, and then this 8 SMA. And then again, when the futures open on Sunday, that 8 SMA will be down lower, but that's what you want to do. Because look at here, okay, how many times it just shut that price right on down. If you can get above that, your big target, 81.79, 83.12, 86.05. Above that, your retest, 89.85. Down below, watch today's low here, 75.31. Yesterday's low, 75.21, and then your big retest here at 74.91. That is lost. We come right here to 73.26. Okay, that is your next level. That's lost. 69.96. That's lost. 50 SMA here on your monthly chart, 68.79. That will be the target. And that's all lost here. Then we come right down here to your price channel here at basically 63.64. Now, your RSI here is trying to work itself up here. You still have a bearish cross here on your MACD here. You can see the green is below the red. It's looking for something here, but again, that can run sideways here for a long, long time. Now, here on your MACD here on your weekly chart here, well, that's rolled over. That's a bearish cross. That's not looking good here. Your RSI is heading right on down here. So take all that into consideration, okay, when you're trading either long or the short. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natty gas. Now, if you've been watching my videos, and I know you have been, I've been pointing out this key level right here, the 50 SMA. Okay, now look where it is. Okay, and I've been pointing out this 50 SMA, just a hair below it, and look where the price is. Okay, so right today here, we still got an indecision candle. Now, as long as it holds this 50-day here and this 50-day here on a closing basis, this on a weekly closing basis, this on a daily closing basis, this is good. This could run all the way up here, all the way back up to the 3.19 and possibly 3.26, okay? So what you want to do here on Sunday night or Monday morning is look to today's high. That's 3.07. And then we want to look to this candle here. That's 3.09. And then we have here, which is, well, we want to go to this 8-day first here, okay, at 3.12. And then we come up to the candle here at 3.19. Above that, we go 3.26, okay? So always watch these weekly SMAs here. That 3.12, very, very strong, okay? And then always watch that 50 SMA here. Now, the 21 here on the weekly here, looking at 2.83, that's a ways away here now. But if this 50-day here is lost on a closing basis, that's the key, not intraday, closing basis here, then what you want to do here is you want to follow these candles right on down here. So you look at this candle here, you look at the high of this, that's 2.86, lines up very, very nice here with this price channel here, okay? In between, we have, you got 2.95 here, and then we have on right here, you got, 2.95 there. So, but this is going to be your target, 2.86. If this key 50-day is lost, right below this, you have your 100-day, 2.82. Lines up very nice with this candle here. There's your gap, top of this candle, 2.78. There's your fill, okay? So bottom line is this. Watch this key level here. This 50-day here, this 50-day here. This is going to be the key to natty gas, okay? If that can hold, then she rallies up here. There's your big target, 3.19, 3.26. Now, when the futures open here, this will be lower here. But again, if you can somehow rock it up, need a catalyst here, then you want to look to the top of that candle there. You're looking at 3.29. You want to look to the top of this candle here. This is a 3.40. There's your gap. Look to the bottom of this candle here, 3.45. There's your fill. Gap fill. If, big if, you can close right above here. If you lose this key 50 SMA here, look at this price channel, 2.86. That's the target. That's lost, 2.82. That is going to be very, very good support here if this key 50-day is lost here, okay? So bottom line here, your MACD still bearish cross. This here sitting in the middle here, really a whole lot of nothing there. So it needs a catalyst to rip right on up here. Right now, I just looked at the nat gas weather. It looks warmer than usual, so that's not going to be no catalyst right there, okay? So we got to see some kind of disruption, something going on here, cold front coming in, then you can get yourself along. But right now, natural gas, crude oil is just scalp city, man. Just scalp it, take your money every day, put it in your pocket. By the end of the week, you'll be surprised how much that you have. All right, that's all I got for you right today. Now, I always, the futures open here Sunday night at 6 p.m. I always post a video around 7, so why don't you stop on by, and then we'll get you all set up for Monday. Hope everybody has a great weekend. Thanks for watching.